Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know I haven't been posting for the longest time. Seriously, like the longest time. I was just doing something, and so I'm back. So we are gonna be doing Fix That Slime. Uh, yeah, so I have this slime. It's like really overactivated, but it's still like playful. That yeah. It still has good crackle blackle. And so, yeah. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. Okay, so we have this white slime with gold glitter in it. I believe it was this glitter. I don't know. So we have some activator right here. Then we have some of my water, and then we have some shampoo and the lotion, and then I just have some other glitters. I thought I found something else. Oh yeah, and we have baby powder to make it kind of a buttery, and then we have some glue. Okay, so here's the slime we'll be fixing. It's kind of good, honestly. But the stretch, like if you stretch it if you stretch it slow, it doesn't really break. So I'm gonna start off by grabbing some water. So I'm just gonna spray some of that in there. And the lid thing, like right there, it broke, which it's. I'm actually sunburned on my face, so my face looks red. There's an Orby. It's weird. I think I'm gonna add some shampoo. I don't have the best ingredients right now, but I just started slime again because I took a break of slime and then it came to paper squishies, and then mochis. Go and follow my TikTok account. It's called paper dot squishy or no sloth paper squishies. I don't know. I'll put it down in this description. Yeah. And I also put my YouTube channel down in the subscription. So it's already getting kind of better. I'm just going to be adding some lotion. And I'll try to be posting more. I don't know if I will, but I'll probably try to do vlogs more. And this probably just going to be a random cup, okay? It's already getting better. And this is actually Ed Butter slime. So we're actually going to be adding some glue. My hands are all lotiony now, I can't open it. Okay. I make a slime. I'm probably going to be making a slime in the next video. It's probably going to make it more glossy. And tomorrow, I believe, tomorrow, I'm probably going to go to the store and get more slime ingredients. Like, I'm probably going to get, more glue. Probably glitter. Probably lotion, because I'm actually running out of lotion. This slime is actually pretty good now. that was a lot of lotion. And I have some activator with me just in case. I think I should actually start putting an activator in that. Probably when that water runs out. There's straight up glitter in my water. Probably not. I mean, I used it for my Jubilee slime. And then the next video after I do slime, I'll probably be posting 3 videos today. So, yeah. This slime is fixed. It's a good slime now. Okay. I think I'm going to be adding some red glitter. It's just like little glitters. Just a little though. Okay. So that's just what it looks like. Sorry, I'm recording with the phone because I'm not a professional at this. So you literally can't even see it right over there. Like, I look through my old videos. Those are cringy. Like, girl. Those are cringy. And I'm cringe. And, like, some of the videos. What? Like, what? So, yeah, this is the slime. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of baby powder. Just not even open. That's surprising me. Oh, it's all over me. Okay. Yeah, it's fine now. So, yeah, that's it for this video. I know it was a short video, but I'm going to be doing more videos. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Oh, make sure you guys wipe your butt.